Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel, I am bringing you guys 3 recipes for something that you guys are always asking me for, and I never answer you guys because I am honestly not the best person to ask for this. Breakfast recipes, breakfast inspiration. I honestly avoid this question a lot because I don't eat breakfast, which I know is horrible because we sleep so long during the nighttime. We sleep from like 6 to 12 hours usually, and we're not eating or drinking those hours. So in the morning it is very important to get some water into you first and then some kind of fuel. And I usually go straight to work for 2 reasons. 1, I don't have an appetite in the morning for some reason, and 2, I'm a night owl, so in the morning I wake up very last minute, and I live super close to work, so I wake up as like very close to the time that I need to go to work. So yeah, I honestly don't have time to make tofu scrambles and pancakes and vegan bacon and all that stuff. I like simplicity, and also as I'm trying to get onto this healthier path in my life, I am trying to find recipes that kind of fit my life and schedule. So today, for you busybodies, for you people that don't like to make breakfast, eat breakfast, or wake up late like me, I got some simple recipes for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this recipe video. So the first recipe that we're going to make is farina. It's also known as cream of wheat. This is something that Puerto Ricans eat a lot of, especially for their younger children in the family. It's just a very easy meal to prepare for anybody, especially the kiddos. So I like to make this occasionally. I don't really have it too often, but sometimes when I really do want breakfast and want something that's filling, I go for this because it's just so easy to prepare, and it's just very light on the stomach but also very filling. So basically you're just going to boil some milk. We're going to add some sugar, cream of wheat, and a little bit of salt to this. You don't want to stir it too much because if you whisk it way too much, it's going to get really thick. Also, when it's setting, it's going to get even thicker. So don't whisk it up too much and just boil it for a little bit. Just follow the instructions in the box. And this is one of the very easiest recipes that I can ever make, and it's honestly one of my favorite things to eat. Also, ignore those pumpkins. I filmed this video back in October, and yeah, but you can eat this at any time of year and it's equally as delicious. So for the second recipe, we're going to make an avocado everything bagel. This is one of my favorite things to prepare. It's so simple and can be taken with you to work, and it's just so easy to make. So we're going to take half of a bagel and cut that in half as well. And I'm going to add some Kite Hill cream cheese. This is one of my favorite cream cheeses because it honestly tastes like regular cream cheese, just without the cruelty. So I just go ahead and smother that on there with a nice thick layer of cream cheese. Then I'm going to take some avocado, and I'm just going to slice up the avocado and add a couple of pieces on top of the cream cheese. And then with the fork, I kind of go ahead and smash it down. It gets a little bit slippery, but this also helps when you're biting into your bagel. You don't want the avocado flying everywhere, so smashing it down really helps. So yeah, just use your fork and smash away. On top of that, I'm going to go ahead and add some tomato slices. And then I'm going to take some everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, one of my favorite things, and add that on top as well because I just love everything bagels. They're one of my favorite things to eat. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes, and also on the side I'm going to add whatever fruit I have on hand. Usually it's a mango. One of my favorite fruits is mango. And this is just something so simple and easy to make. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes. Honestly, it's just so delicious and so quick to make. And for the final recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a yogurt mason jar concoction. Yeah, this is one of my favorite things to make. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of yogurt, but when I want to get that nutrition in me and just go ahead and get all the things out of the way for health-wise, honestly, it is hard to eat healthy when you're super busy like I am, but I really do try, especially when eating breakfast. So I like to get my greens, fruits, nutritious things out of the way. So you can add this with whatever you'd like. You can add blueberries, strawberries, pecans, oats like I did. You could add some agave and vanilla into the yogurt for some added flavor, whatever you like. Honestly, this is totally customizable, up to you, but super easy, and I love making this. Alright guys, I don't know why I keep on stopping. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified of any new videos coming your way. And let's stay connected. Give me some recipe ideas for breakfast. Give me some inspiration down below in the comments. Send me some photos. And yeah, stay connected and I will talk to you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.